Hi guys, I'm Jack from JosephJackTV, and today we're going to be showing you our fidget spinners.
So basically, this is like the coolest one we've got so far, and it cost about £7, and it's the same as Dan PDM's.
No, it isn't.
Well, not exactly the same, but it doesn't have sharp corners like this. But ours has like sharp corners. Look, it's massive. I mean, this one's like
This
massive.
one's tiny. And
This one's just grown bigger.
No, it hasn't grown bigger. It's because you're used to this small one. Like,
Yeah, we're used to this
look
one.
at the size comparison.
Yeah, look. It just looks really big like this.
Oh
Look,
my gosh, this looks weird.
they're the same size. Look,
Yeah.
but we've got 3 fidget spinners each.
Oh yeah, and then let's show them the ones we've got from New York then.
So we went to New York.
These were about $14 each.
Yeah, we got this from New York.
This.
And my one
Pretty good.
Worse.
It's got quite good
Look. Has
Yeah,
quite
I
good
guess.
look.
and let's see who spins for the longest. So wait, let's do the New York ones first. 3? No, New York ones first. 3, 2, 1. Let's see which one spins first.
I mean, look, let's see which one spins the most.
Yeah, and then they'll go on to the next round. No, they won't.
And we'll be using these ones last. We've both got the same.
Yeah.
What? Looks like mine wins.
That's
Mine
very
wins!
rare, actually. Okay, your one wins. Let's just the winners go over here.
Let's
3, 2, 1, go.
I didn't fully spin it properly. I won't win.
Same with this one. So losers go over there.
Imagine if I won 2 rounds, that'd be
This is gonna take ages.
good. Yeah, because I've waited to...
Ow!
And it'll probably be about like 25 minutes. The longest video we've made is Joseph's Google Factory. It's 54 minutes almost.
Oh, Jack, looks like my one's going to win. Let's see. It's gonna win. I don't. Oh, sorry, I accidentally elbowed you. Okay, it's really close.
Let's see which one wins.
Wait, your one's going a bit slower. No, my one's gonna. Oh my! Oh, this is really close. Oh my god, your one's faster. What? Not.
Go. Yeah! I won 2 rounds.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. These ones are probably good. It has to be a draw. If they both win, they have to go both over here.
Oh my god, I've not properly been spinning them.
I mean, I've been the winner. I mean, look, I think you're going to win this round.
Yeah, I'm winning.
But it's gonna,
Finally.
I get 2.
Finally.
I'm actually flying spun more. That'd be amazing. So after, I think we're going to be doing...
Okay, yeah, your one's lost. Like, by far.
Yes. Yeah, but I was the winner. Basically, I was the winner.
Okay, anyway, Jack. So now this one goes over here.
Oh, so
Okay, so Jack.
I've won.
No, you haven't. Because it's them 2 versus them 2. No, wait. I'll spin this one. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's see.
There's going to be 5 losers over here. Let's see.
If they both lose, that.
Okay.
This one's gonna win. This one's gonna lose. can already tell it's slowing down.
No, let's see, because remember, that's what it was like with this one.
And it was, my one was getting slower, but yours just slowed down. I won 2 rounds, so I was basically the winner of that one. But after, we're going to try double fidget spinner, then triple fidget spinner.
Wait, what?
Are we ready?
No. Okay, Jack.
No.
Your one's lost. That one. Okay, put that over into the loser's one. Which one will win? My one versus your one. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
It's
No, wait, stop, because that was not a proper spin. 3, 2, 1. That was horrible spin.
Yours is going to win, definitely. Because I can see it speeding around the edges.
Don't touch it, please.
I mean, look. Joseph. Joseph's going to win. I know. Imagine if.
Hopefully I am.
No, you will, of course.
Oh! Yes!
See, you will win. I mean, you've won like 3 rounds. Or 4. Oh my god. They're already on lap 23 and that's 15.
What was that face?
Yeah, she was winning.
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
yes, it's a winner. 5 losers. The 5 losers now go against each other. Actually, nah. Anyway, looks like my fidget spinner's the winner, so I win.
So basically, we're gonna show you our fidget spinner. So
We're gonna properly show them.
so this one's like a rainbow fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. I mean,
Yeah,
look,
it's metal as well.
Yeah, there's gold like somewhere around here, then it's like green, blue, pink.
Yeah, it's metal one as well.
Yeah.
This one's another metal one with which actually has bearings.
This is metal and it has bearings and it's like.
And you can't take these bits out, unlike that one.
It's dark blue, but.
And my one's purple because Jack one took my blue one. And then this one we got from New York, obviously, and I've broken a bearing here, which makes it look quite cool.
And then.
And it spins pretty well.
Yeah.
But it's very off course now for mine.
Look, it's very bumpy, mine. Look.
Mine's quite bumpy because of that. Like, that's just annoying.
I mean, my friend at school lost about 2 bearings, but he found it, one got lost. Then he found a like green bearing when he put it in.
Okay, I hope you actually enjoyed this fidget spinner video. And
So,
hopefully
we'll see you in part 2. We're going to make a part 2
Hopefully,
with
anyway.
a box of fidget spinners.
maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Bye!
Bye, everyone.